Here's the 08 wave forecast for April 1st, 2014. Wow, April Fool's Day. Anyway, S&P basically in the past 6 or 7 trading days got a zigzag, A equals C, A, B, and C, and rallied off the 1842 low and setting up a third wave. Off the 1842 low to the 1866 first wave, we got wave 1, wave 2, until wave 3. So if this turns into a third wave, 1, 2, 3, the highest target to have, if it was 1.618 times the first wave, would be as high as 1892 if 1.618 times wave 1 in the third wave. Basically, the setup is pretty simple. ABC, zigzag, and rally. But I'm basing this third wave based on the first wave that came off the 1842 low in the first wave. And if you draw the target going back 30 days, the highest target I have is actually around 2020 in S&P. Yeah, that's a series. I know it sounds really crazy, but that's not really that crazy considering we're only about 150 points away in S&P. It really isn't a stretch when you really think about it. But my highest target when S&P was around 1357, I believe, way back in January 2012. I called for S&P 2251, and so far it went from 1357 to 1872. And in a big article in I think it was last year, around March of 2013, I called for the same targets. And once those targets hit, that would be the 1.618 golden ratio target. But if you take the percentage gain of the first wave, multiply it times 1.618, and tack it onto the bottom of the wave 2, which is the typical bull market third wave, the highest target I have would be around 3570. So if you think we topped out here, I would not say we're not even close. Not even close. There's so much more to go. For NASDAQ, ABC down to the A equals C to around 4138 to 4140. A equals C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 truncated fifth wave. NASDAQ on the fifth wave with a C wave. And basically we got above the top of the fourth wave. Yesterday I said we need to take out 4190. We got above that. And we closed right above it too. But NASDAQ's got a long way to go because S&P is actually pretty close to breaking the top of the 100% retracement level. But NASDAQ needs to go to at least 4275 or the top of the B wave to prevent a downward 3 and or break out of a zigzag into a third wave. For the Dow, wow, I called that yesterday. Awesome, I called that one. ABC flat to a third wave. 1, 2, 3 off the lows. We'll target as high as, I believe, let's see, 250, 400, 60,600 minimum, or 60,650 around that area. If it's 1, 2, 3 off the 60,200 low in the Dow. But we did take out a new all-time high, I believe. I think that might be the all-time high. I'm pretty sure it is, or pretty close to it. But in either case, that's a new 10-day high on the 10-day chart, setting up a third wave. So I wouldn't see this thing stop until around 60,650 to 60,700 in the Dow. So basically, S&P actually got the best formation. We're now getting a zigzag and rally, and it actually touched the top of the B wave around 1876. It got within a point of taking that out, but I think that'll be taken out this week and it'll set up a third wave and also set up the actual bottom formation. That's a wrap.